Oh, good morning. Good morning. The sun will be up. Well, the sun's up, but it will be in my eyes in just a minute. I already got the fan on because it's already hot. 15-year-old dog playing with a toy like a puppy. Okay, this is just a short video. I want to make it abundantly clear. I do not work on knives that I don't own. The potential to ruin them is high. I work on knives that I have sold people if they want me to redo them, refinish them, because if I ruin them in the process, I can make an identical copy and it will fit in the same sheath. And I don't make sheaths for knives that I don't own because mistakes making sheaths for knives for the first time, it's never just the first time you get it right, and you waste a lot of leather making the right sheath for a knife on it. I can't afford to make sheaths for knives that I'm doing one-offs. Now, I can't afford to make sheaths for knives that I own, and I just want to make it very clear. I don't work on knives I don't own. Please don't ask. Have a good Sunday, y'all.